My name is Dr. Pankaj Talwar and I am the Head Medical Services at Birla Fertility and IVF. I am doing IVF from nearly 20 years and my focus of interest is clinical IVF, clinical embryology, andrology and fertility preservation. Before I begin, I would like to introduce you to Birla Fertility and IVF, where we offer compassionate care and clinically reliable fertility solutions for men and women. Our team at Birla Fertility and IVF has got an experience of 14,000 IVF cycles, and we specialize in developing tailor-made treatments, tailor-made protocols for all of you with consistently high success rates. So taking on that, now we'll talk about various inclusions and exclusions in an IVF cycle. Now what do this mean? आप में से बहुत लोग जानना चाहेंगे कि एक IVF साइकिल के कितने कंपोनेंट्स एक पैकेज में कवर होते हैं. They are called inclusions and which are add-ons. So if you look at an IVF cycle, जब हम आप एक IVF cycle शुरू करेंगे, there are various parts to it. First of all, we'll examine the couple. We'll carry out certain blood tests for you. We'll carry out some blood tests for your husband. We'll analyze the semen sample, and then we may have to give you certain medications. Now these all medications may be to treat your obesity, maybe to treat your diabetes, hypertension, low sperm count or any other thing. So these all things are called pre-treatment. जब हम pre-treatment कर लेते हैं, then we shift to an IVF cycle. Now the moment we start an IVF cycle, that is ideally called a treatment cycle, and that starts from the first day of injections till the day of your ovum pickup or embryo freezing or transfer. So in a treatment cycle, what are the various components? The first component is the hormones. So whatever drugs which are given to you during the IVF cycle, we normally give around 15 to 20 injections, and they are ideally part of an IVF cycle. They are included in an IVF package. The second part may be the OT charges. When we go to an OT, you are given some anesthesia, your eggs are being retrieved. So जब आप OT में जाते हैं, हम आपको बेहोश करके आपके डिम्स को निकालते हैं, and that is called ovum pickup. The third component is the embryology part, जो कि एक IVF एम्ब्रोलॉजी लैब में जो भी हम करेंगे आपके एक्स के साथ में, हम डिम और शुक्राणु को आपस में जोड़ते हैं. So we try to bring your eggs and sperms together, create embryos, and these embryos can be cultured till day 5. So here comes the role of ICSI. In many cases, to get a sperm and an egg together, we do a thing called ICSI, and then we can also do something called blast culture, which is full form is blastocyst culture. जब ये कल्चर होते हैं, इसके बाद में we can carry out the embryo transfer on day 2, day 3 or day 5, or we can also do some vitrification. It means that हम जो आपके बेबीज बनते हैं, your embryos on any of these days, on day 2, day 3 or day 5, we can freeze them. The technique of freezing is called vitrification. In vitrification, there is one more component that is called thawing. So जब हम बच्चों को, आपके बेबीज को फ्रीज कर लेते हैं, उनको we have to thaw them again, and that is being done after a month or so. So we raise their temperature and bring them back to the life, and that is called the thawing process, and then we carry out embryo transfer. In certain cases, we carry out fresh transfer for you on day 2, day 3 or day 5 after blast culture, and besides that we can also freeze your embryos. और अगर पहली साइकिल में हमें सक्सेस नहीं मिलता है, in that case we can carry out your frozen embryo transfer. So an ideal IVF package which you see in the social medias, when you come to us, the way we counsel you, the pre-treatment part is not the part of an IVF package. So all your tests, all your workup, all your drugs which are being given to treat you before we start your IVF cycle, that is not part of the cycle. But the day we initiate your cycle, we give you some hormones, you are enrolled in an IVF cycle. After that, all the hormonal tests which are done on you, all the injections which are being given to you, ICSI, freezing is part of an IVF cycle. After we have done your blast culture, and after we have done your fresh embryo transfer, or we have frozen, all the drugs which you take to maintain your pregnancy, they are again not part of an IVF package. So they are called inclusions of an IVF package. That's the way a package should work. An ideal package should include your hormonal treatment, it should include the OT charges, the IVF embryology charges, and the charges for ICSI and freezing and embryo transfer also. Sometimes many of our friends, they require sperm donation or an egg donation or an embryo donation. These all are again exclusions. They are not part of an IVF cycle, and for these things you have to get yourself enrolled separately. Besides this, in case any one of us requires fertility preservation can be done in a couple, in a young boy or a girl who has got cancer or who has got some other problem, or anyone who wants to delay their fertility. That is called oocyte banking or oocyte freezing. These things again are not part of an IVF package, and we have to enroll for them separately. So an ideal IVF package, to summarize, should include all the hormonal drugs. It should include your IVF, ovum pickup, ICSI, freezing and embryo transfer. I'm very sure that you would have learned something new from this particular talk. We have spoken at length about cost components of an IVF cycle in our country, in India, the cost of fertility treatment in India, what are the components of an IVF treatment in India, and I'm very sure you would have got enlightened, empowered, and the coming days when you visit an IVF clinic, you should be able to question your doctor, ask the clinic what are the parts, what are the components which are part of an IVF treatment and which are not. Thank you so much. I'm sure you would have liked our video, enjoyed our video, and so from our side, it's always nice talking to you all. हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगता है आप सबसे बात कर. If you've liked our video, I'll be very happy in case you can call us back. Our telephone numbers are on our website. You can share our video, comment upon our video, subscribe to our video, and share with so many people around you who need care. At Birla Fertility and IVF, we are always with you 24/7, and we're so happy to walk in this journey of infertility with you, and I'm very sure we'll soon become your partners, we'll soon become your friends, we'll soon help in achieving parenthood. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.